In front of me is Xiaomi Black Shark 4, and let me show you how to activate spell checker on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and pick additional settings, and here go to languages and input. Now go to manage keyboards, and as Gboard is our default keyboard, just click on settings. Enter text correction, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list where you will find spell and features, and here we've got spell checker, so just click on it to activate, and from now on your misspelled words will be marked while typing. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.